Yes, but there again, my people, big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone are alright. You see? Manners and respect. Alright, so I have some things I want to talk to you about, and I have at least one video that I'm going to present to you. Alright, now first things first, my people. I got information that Elon Musk, Starlink, granted license to offer internet service in Jamaica. Yes, my people. Yes. So I got information that the Ministry of Science and Technology is reporting that a license has been approved for American billionaire Elon Musk company Starlink to offer internet service via a satellite technology in Jamaica. Yes, sir. Yeah, my people. Me also got information that Portfolio Minister Darrell Vaz says this is monumental for the advancement of Jamaica as a digital society, my people. I don't think I really need to say much more about this whole situation, about this whole thing. See? Yeah, just expect it. Just expect it. Alright? For another topic now, my people. Now, I got information that 3 persons had been shot and killed at a party that had been held in Trelawney, Jamaica yesterday. That's Saturday. Today is Sunday, the 9th of October, the year 2022. Now, based on information that I got, it is said that all those 3 persons who died are men and that they are in their 20s. It is said that at least 1 member of the Jamaica Defense Force had been shot and injured as a result of the whole situation, viewers and subscribers. See? Now, according to information that I got, it is said that police and military team, or you could say police and soldier team, was in the process of conducting an operation at a premises where the party had been held, viewers and subscribers. See? So it is said that on the approach of the lawmen, persons was observed or seen running in various directions, or different directions. You see it? Members of the joint security team were reportedly fired upon by a group of armed men at the venue, and that they took actions and returned fire. So it is said that when the shooting done, 3 men was found with what appears to be gunshot wounds, viewers and subscribers. So it is said that they were transported to hospital and they were pronounced dead. It is said that illegal firearms were seized during the operation, viewers and subscribers. And I also saw pictures of persons who are said to be those persons who died. And it is said that a soldier who was shot was taken to receive medical attention. So some allegations have been made about those persons who died, viewers and subscribers, you know, and I don't really want to mention those allegations because they are confirmed information. Yes, I may say, but once me say that, I think you might understand what I talk about. You see it? So it is said that some form of shootout happened where the party had been held, or where the whole incident happened, viewers and subscribers, and the 3 persons had been killed, and at least 1 person who is said to be a law enforcer had been injured, viewers and subscribers. You understand? Yeah, then say a soldier got injured. Alright, so I could see how this whole thing play out. In the come, I do them investigation. And I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, it is said that a man who tried to ship more than 20 parcels of ganja through the Jamaica Postal Service to Canada pleaded guilty to drug-related charges when he appeared before the court, viewers and subscribers. It is said that he had been convicted. Yeah, so it is said that this man pleaded guilty to a certain amount of counts of possession of ganja and a certain amount of counts of dealing in ganja and a certain amount of counts of attempting to export ganja in viewers and subscribers. See? Yeah, I think I'm more than 20. Anyways, so it is said that the man pleaded guilty to certain amount of counts when he appeared before the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court. And this happened within the month of October, the year 2022. So it is said that he is scheduled to be sentenced within the month of January, the year 2023. And it is said that the man had been remanded until January. Yeah, see? Now, me know some of you might wonder how he get catch. Well, here you go. So it is said that police say that the man attempted to use Jamaica's postal service to ship 22 packages with ganja worth $1 million viewers and subscribers. And also, I never get information as to which currency it worth, you know. Anyway, so it is said that he was arrested during a police operation. Specific detail as to how that operation go? I don't have no specific detail as to how that operation go, viewers and subscribers. You understand? Yeah, but I think it is common knowledge that each and everyone should know that trying to ship drugs and them things that through the postal service can get you in trouble with the law big time. Big time. See? Anyways, on the next topic. Now, I think a lot of you, my viewers and subscribers, might have heard by now that the musician who goes by the name of Flippa Mafia, who was incarcerated in the year 2016 and was supposed to serve 25 years in prison, was released out on parole, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, it is said that the DJ, whose real name is Andrew Davis, was released from the East Jersey State Prison on Tuesday, October 4, the year 2022. So it is said that Flippa Mafia was incarcerated for being the mastermind of an international drug trafficking and money laundering ring. He was also ordered to pay $250,000 for some form of penalty, viewers and subscribers. So may I say, yeah, so he was scheduled to serve a maximum of 17 years on account of heroin possession. He was also sentenced to serve a maximum of 8 years on account of money laundering, viewers and subscribers. So may I say, yeah, and you know, Flippa Mafia was not the only person who got incarcerated because of this whole situation. So may I say, Flippa Mafia's girlfriend was sentenced to 21 years in prison for her role in the drug ring, and his brother was also sentenced to 20 years behind bars, viewers and subscribers. But here's the thing now, Zane. It is said that Flippa Mafia completed his high school diploma and earned a bachelor's degree in education while he was incarcerated. You hear them thing, my people? While he was locked up. Yep, I tell my people. See? A life, you know. Yeah, some of us give information according to how me get them, see? I wonder if there's anything else we should talk about in this video. Anyways, may I move on to another topic. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when the Prime Minister of Jamaica, who goes by the name of Andrew Holness, visited an area within the parish of St. Catherine, that's within the country of Jamaica, where houses had been demolished in an exercise to remove illegal structures. Now, I got the understanding that the situation affected quite a number of persons, viewers and subscribers, and in my point of view, I think that the situation is sad, you see it? And I saw posts and comments on social media that gave me the understanding that quite a number of persons are upset and concerned about the whole situation, viewers and subscribers. But I'm going to present this video to you so that you can take a look at the video for yourself. You can also let me know what you think, all right? Anyways, here's the video. Look, listen, and observe.
Yes, when you get the season up on TV, it looks like it is more people than pay trickery. Yeah? So when you see the clippings there with him now, I walk with people.
When I speak, it means something. But when I speak, it must mean something.
Are you with your belly? And this I walk up and down, suck me up. Yeah, listen and put me. Yeah, me I go sell cash pot. Me too steady. I'm here working.
What I would like to do is not only beat them, but
yeah, people, so the whole of the news team is here.
sorry, the gas on this person. Sorry.
Everything for the paper. Yeah, me there, girl, me there.
You cannot do that. You know, it's a frustration.
No, Miss DJ just don't know. Miss DJ finish now. We have to make sure voice our opinion. And we lead and we know better. No, and that's the next time. I could have you young and you. Of course. When we get done viral, you want to be
Now, I got the understanding that certain amount of persons who have been affected by the whole situation, viewers and subscribers, claim that they paid a certain amount of money for lots that they occupied. So me ask viewers and subscribers, now, me I wonder who they paid for those lots. Now, the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Holness, announced the plan, demolition, in the House of Representatives, viewers and subscribers, and he said that a criminal gang had captured lands near Clifton and was reselling plots fraudulently. See, and that he said that the lands which fall within government's Greater Bernard Lodge development will be formalized and owners given titles. Yes, I'm asking my people. Yeah, me understand that, but I only hope that those persons who have been affected by this whole situation will somehow find a way to overcome the whole situation with people. Because in my point of view, the situation is sad, you know. You see me I say? It's sad. Me I tell my people. Anyways, I guess I'm going to leave it. So big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. And until next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. Big up.